Well, I've done another cafe racer modification to the CB125tt. I've cut the exhaust pipes so they got just the open headers now. It actually makes for a pretty cool sound. I thought it might sound horrible, but it actually sounds pretty nice. It sounds like an old maybe CB450 from the 70s. It's got that same sort of engine design. And it is loud, but it sounds pretty good. Yeah, did both sides. And it's been sitting for quite a while. I guess it's a month and a half or so, battery's probably going to be dead, so I'll get the charger out, put it to the battery, and hopefully she'll fire right up. Well, I've had it on a charge for a few minutes now, so hopefully it'll fire up. Try some choke. Yeah, I think it's got a pretty mean sound. I don't know how good the camera's gonna pick it up, but it sounds pretty sick, really. I think I might have to adjust the mixtures on the carburetors. It doesn't want to run all too good, but yeah, it's not too bad. Let's take it down the road one time. Thanks for watching.